Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm sharing the 10 things I've stopped buying. Saving is great, but spending wisely can take you even further. Let's dive into how cutting these expenses has left me with more money to invest without sacrificing my quality of life. Number 1, books. I love reading, it's an investment in yourself. Now, I keep my favorite books in hard copy, but most are on my Kindle or rented for free through my library app, Libby. Number 2, brand new car? A new car loses value the moment you drive it out of the showroom. Instead, I invest the money and let it grow. Later, I'll buy a car without impacting my finances. Number 3, souvenirs. Souvenirs clutter my space. Instead, I keep an online journal to capture memories, which is more meaningful and space efficient. Number 4, updated tech versions. I've stopped upgrading tech for minimal improvements. Now, I ask if the upgrade truly adds value or if I'd be happier investing that money elsewhere. Number 5, sale items. Sales can trick us into spending on things we don't need. If I wouldn't buy it at full price, I don't buy it on sale. Number 6, investments I don't understand. I no longer invest in things I don't understand. Even with a financial advisor, I ensure I know where my money goes. Number 7, fast fashion. Fast fashion isn't for me anymore. I prefer fewer, higher quality clothes that last longer and reduce decision fatigue. Number 8, high maintenance services. I've cut back on high maintenance services like manicures and hair dye. It saves both money and precious time. Number 9, unnecessary holiday gifts. Instead of holiday gifts, I focus on meaningful experiences with loved ones, cutting out the stress of unnecessary spending. Number 10, expensive upgrades. I evaluate if an upgrade is truly worth it. Is it better to spend now or invest for greater returns later? These changes have made a huge difference in my financial health. Thanks for watching. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and I'll see you in the next video.